Hi, welcome to Varaj Creations. Today we shall be discussing on personnel management, which play an important role in developing and maintaining human resources in organization. Today we shall discuss definitions and functions of personnel management. Definitions. It's an art of acquiring maximum efficiency. According to the Society of Personnel Administration in USA, personnel management is defined as an art of acquiring, developing, and maintaining a competent workforce in such a manner as to accomplish with maximum efficiency and economy the functions and objectives of the organization. It's an human relations within the organization. The Institute of Personnel Management in UK defines personnel management as part of the management function that is primarily concerned with the human relationships within the organization. Its objective is to maintain these relationships on a basis that, by considering the well-being of individuals, enables all those engaged within the undertaking to make their maximum personal contribution to the effective working of that undertaking. It's the process of planning and directing. According to Dale and Yoder, personnel management is the process of planning, organizing, and directing the application, development, and utilization of human resources in employment. It's the code of ways of organizing and treating. According to Thomas G. Spears, personnel management is a code of the ways of organizing and treating individuals at work so that they will get the greatest possible realization of their intrinsic abilities, thus attaining maximum efficiency for themselves and their group, and thereby giving to the enterprise of which they are a part, determining competitive advantage and its optimum results. Now, functions of personnel management. 1. It provides a set of techniques for handling people with professional standards. 2. It helps individuals to utilize their capacities to the maximum level possible and as attain not only individual satisfaction, but also satisfaction as part of the work group. 3. Profit growth engineering functions. 4. Manpower planning. 5. Recruitment and selection. 6. Induction. 7. Training and development. 8. Motivation. 9. Wage and salary administration. 10. Grievance handling. 11. Communication. 12. Appraisal. 13. Promotion, transfer. 14. Discipline and disciplinary actions. 15. Health, safety, welfare. Personnel management is the process of managing the people in an organization. It involves all activities related to the recruitment, selection, training, development, motivation, and compensation of employees. The goal of personnel management is to ensure that the organization has the right people in the right jobs at the right time.